अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः। ज्ञानविज्ञानयोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यासक्तमनाः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं समग्रं मां यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु।
Shri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, now listen how with the mind attached to me and practicing yoga with absolute dependence on me, you will know me, the repository of all power, strength and glory and other attributes, the universal soul in entirety and without any shadow of doubt.
ज्ञानं तेहं सविज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्यत् ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते।
I shall unfold to you in its entirety this wisdom, knowledge of God in His absolute formless aspect, along with knowledge of the qualified aspect of God, both with form and without form, having known which nothing else remains yet to be known in this world.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद्यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः।
Hardly one among thousands of men strive to realize me. Of those striving yogis, again, some rare one, devoting himself exclusively to me, knows me in reality.
भूमिरापो नलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार इतीयं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा अपरेयमितस्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे परां जीवभूतां महाबाहो ययेदं धार्यते जगत्।
Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, reason, and also ego. These constitute my nature, divided into 8 parts. This indeed is my lower nature. The other than this, by which the whole universe is sustained, know it to be my higher or spiritual nature in the form of Jiva, the life principle. O Arjuna,
एतद्योनीनि भूतानि सर्वाणीत्युपधारय अहं कृत्स्नस्य जगतः प्रभवः प्रलयस्तथा.
Arjuna, know that all beings have evolved from this twofold Prakriti, and that I am the source of the entire creation, and into me again it dissolves.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय. मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव.
There is nothing else beside me, Arjuna. Like clusters of yarn beads formed by knots on a thread, all this is threaded on me.
रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मि शशिसूर्ययोः. प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दः खे पौरुषं नृषु.
Arjuna, I am the sapidity in water and the radiance in the moon and the sun. I am the sacred syllable Om in all the Vedas, the sound in ether and virility in men.
पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ. जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु.
I am the pure odor in the earth and the brightness in fire. Nay, I am the life in all beings and austerity in the aesthetics.
बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां विद्धि पार्थ सनातनम्. बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम्.
Arjuna, know me to be the eternal seed of all beings. I am the intelligence of the intelligent, the glory of the glorious am I.
बलं बलवतां चाहं कामरागविवर्जितं. धर्माविरुद्धो भूतेषु कामोऽस्मि भरतर्षभा.
Arjuna, of the mighty I am the might, free from passion and desire. In beings I am Kama, the conjugal desire, not conflicting with virtue or scriptural injunctions.
ये चैव सात्विका भावाः राजसास्तामसाश्च ये मत्त एवेति तान् विद्धि न त्वहं तेषु ते मयि.
Whatever other entities there are, born of Sattva, and those that are born of Rajas and Tamas, know them all as evolved from me alone. In reality, however, neither do I exist in them, nor do they in me.
त्रिभिर्गुणमयैर्भावैः एभिः सर्वमिदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परमव्ययम्.
The whole of this creation is deluded by these objects evolved from the three modes of Prakriti: Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. That is why the world fails to recognize me standing apart from these, the imperishable.
दैवी हेषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते.
This most wonderful Maya of mine, consisting of the three gunas, is extremely difficult to break through. Those, however, who constantly adore me alone are able to cross it.
नमां दुष्कृतिनो मूढाः प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमाः माययापहृतज्ञानाः आसुरं भावमाश्रिताः.
Those whose wisdom has been carried away by Maya and are of demonic nature, such foolish and vile men of evil deeds, do not adore me.
चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभा.
4 types of devotees of noble deeds worship me, Arjuna: the seeker after worldly possessions, the afflicted, the seeker for knowledge, and the man of wisdom, O best of Bharatas.
तेषां ज्ञानी नित्ययुक्तः एकभक्तिर्विशिष्यते प्रियो हि ज्ञानिनोत्यर्थम् अहं स च मम प्रियः.
Of these, the best is the man of wisdom, ever established in identity with me and possessed of exclusive devotion. For I am extremely dear to the wise man who knows me in reality, and he is extremely dear to me.
उदारा सर्व एवैते ज्ञानी त्वात्मैव मे मतम् आस्थितः स हि युक्तात्मा मामेवानुत्तमां गतिम्.
Indeed, all these are noble, but the man of wisdom is my very self. Such is my view. For such a devotee, who has his mind and intellect merged in me, is firmly established in me alone as the highest goal.
बहूनां जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञानवान् मां प्रपद्यते वासुदेवः सर्वमिति समहात्मा सुदुर्लभः.
In the very last of all births, the enlightened person worships me by realizing that all this is God. Such a great soul is rare indeed.
कामैस्तैस्तैर्हृतज्ञानाः प्रपद्यन्तेऽन्यदेवताः तं तं नियममास्थाय प्रकृत्या नियता स्वया.
Those whose wisdom has been carried away by various desires, being prompted by their own nature, worship other deities, adopting norms relating to each.
यो यो यां यां तनुं भक्तः श्रद्धयार्चितुमिच्छति तस्य तस्याचलां श्रद्धां तामेव विदधाम्यहम्.
Whatever celestial form a devotee chooses to worship with reverence, I stabilize the faith of that particular devotee in that very form.
सतया श्रद्धया युक्तः तस्याराधनमीहते लभते च ततः कामान् मयैव विहितान् हितान्.
Endowed with such faith, he worships that particular deity and obtains through that deity, without doubt, his desired enjoyments as verily ordained by me.
अन्तवत्तु फलं तेषां तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसां देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि.
The fruit gained by these people of small understanding, however, is perishable. The worshippers of gods attain the gods, whereas my devotees, howsoever they worship me, eventually come to me and me alone.
अव्यक्तं व्यक्तिमापन्नं मन्यन्ते मामबुद्धयः परं भावमजानन्तो ममाव्ययमनुत्तमम्.
Not knowing my supreme nature, unsurpassable and undecaying, the ignorant persons regard me, who am the Supreme Spirit beyond the reach of mind and senses, and the embodiment of truth, knowledge and bliss, to have assumed a finite form through birth as an ordinary human being.
नाहं प्रकाशः सर्वस्य योगमाया समावृतः मूढोऽयं नाभिजानाति लोको मामजमव्ययम्.
Veiled by Yoga Maya, my divine potency, I am not manifest to all. Hence, these ignorant folk fail to recognize me, the birthless and imperishable Supreme Deity. That is, they consider me as subject to birth and death.
वेदाहं समतीतानि वर्तमानानि चार्जुन भविष्याणि च भूतानि मां तु वेद न कश्चन।
Arjuna, I know all beings, past as well as present, nay, even those that are yet to come, but none, devoid of faith and devotion, knows me.
इच्छा द्वेष समुत्थेन द्वन्द्वमोहेन भारत सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहं सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप।
O valiant Arjuna, through delusion in the form of pairs of opposites, such as pleasure and pain, born of desire and aversion, all living creatures in this world are falling a prey to delusion.
येषां त्वन्तगतं पापं जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः।
But those men of virtuous deeds, whose sins have come to an end, being freed from delusion in the form of pairs of opposites, born of attraction and repulsion, worship me with a firm resolve in every way.
जरामरणमोक्षाय मामाश्रित्य यतन्ति ये ते ब्रह्म तद्विदुः कृत्स्नम् अध्यात्मं कर्म चाखिलम्।
They who, having taken refuge in me, strive for deliverance from old age and death, know Brahma, the Absolute, the whole Adhyatma, the totality of jivas or embodied souls, and the entire field of karma, as well as my integral being.
साधिभूताधिदैवं मां साधियज्ञं च ये विदुः प्रयाणकालेऽपि च मां ते विदुर्युक्तचेतसः।
Comprising Adhibhuta, Adhidaiva and Adhiyagna, and they who possessed of a steadfast mind know thus even at the hour of death, they too know me alone.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे ज्ञानविज्ञानयोगो नाम सप्तमोऽध्यायः।
conclusion. Thus, in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna ends the 7th chapter entitled The Yoga of Jnana, knowledge of Nirguna Brahma, and Vijnana, knowledge of manifest divinity.
We are glad to announce setting up of the world's first and exclusive Bhagavad Gita University, and we seek your generous help. For more details, visit our website geetauniversity.in or give us a missed call on 9128 444 555. Also, please share this information to your friends to enable us build a world-class Gita University and make the world a better place to live. Jai Shri Krishna.